219 going through there, that's John Warden in the Lee Francis. And the majority of these cars are running in the Itala and Lanchester Trophies race. That is event number 6. And there we see the fastest man in practice, Martin Stretton in the Talbot. Martin did a time of 1 minute 17.48. That's a speed of 76.61. Another shot of Martin Stretton. And number 85 going through there, that's Ivon Dutton in the Bugatti. Ivon was second fastest in practice with a time of 1 minute 18.54. That's a speed of 75.58. And number 66, Nick Mason in his Bugatti, was third fastest with a time of 1 minute 23.82. That's a speed of 70.82. First lap into Brooklands, and it's a good start by Ivon Dutton from Martin Stretton. Back in third, Nick Mason. And these three already a good way clear of the pack. Everybody making their way safely through the complex and round for the completion of the first lap. There's the little GN there of Brian Banyard-Smith. The leaders have already gone through on their third lap, as we see another shot of 119. That's John Horton in fourth place. Clive Temple going through there, followed through by Tony Irwin in the Riley Specials. Another shot there of John Warden in the Lee Francis. And here come the leaders again on their fourth lap. And it's still Ivon Dutton from Martin Stretton. Fifth lap for the leaders, and Martin Stretton there, pushed onto the rumble strip, side by side into the complex. Here we see Philip Champion again, currently in 7th place in the Frazer Nash. Here come the leaders again, 6th lap. Still at the moment it's Ivon Dutton who has the upper hand over Martin Stretton. Another shot there of Horton in the Bugatti in 4th place. Gillian Ghosh again coming through. Vauxhall. Here come the leaders side by side. Martin taking the inside line at the complex. And he's in the lead. .223 going through there. That's one of the Rileys. That's Patrick Gardner, and the leaders coming into Brooklands again with Dutton just in the lead of Martin Stretton, holding the lead there. Martin, I think, was caught up when he was bought by a tail ender, but still, it's anybody's race. This is lap 9 as they go into their last lap. Another shot there of champion in the Frazer Nash, still in 7th place. Here comes the leader, and this is probably the largest lead that Ivon Dutton has had throughout the race. Followed through by Martin.